I've been loving you a long time, down all the years, down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles, smiled at your funny little ways. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms. I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past, I'm not talking of the first times, I never think about the last. And now the song is nearly over, we may never find out what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me, you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams.